Hi and welcome to Library Tutorials. In this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use the Articles and Databases section on the library homepage. Please keep in mind that searching for articles and databases is a complex process, and if at all possible, hand the patron over to a librarian. But if you're working solo at the desk or the librarian is busy, the following should be very helpful. So, let's begin. So once on the library homepage, you're going to click on Articles and Databases. On this next page, you're going to select the database. You can choose by the all general databases such as Academic Search Complete or ProQuest. You can select a database by name, or you can select a database by subject. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Academic Search Complete, and we're also going to be using ProQuest. So let's click on Academic Search Complete. Once you select Academic Search Complete, you're going to come to this page. On this page, you'll notice that there are search boxes where you can enter key terms. You may also select a Boolean term or phrase. You may also limit your search to full text or scholarly. You can enter in a publication. You can also select the document type, such as biography, article, or abstract. On the right side of the screen, you can search by publication type or language. The publication type will help you look for journals, newspapers, or magazines, and the languages will help you narrow your search down to whatever languages you're looking for. So our search topic for today is going to be tattoo. So once we type it in, click search, and notice that tattoo has over 4,000 results. By asking the patron more specifics about their topic, we can refine that search. So for this instance, we're going to be looking at the dangers of tattoos. So by putting in an asterisk, we can find all cases of the word tattoos, like tattooing, tattoos, tattoo, and we'll also put in danger with an asterisk. And let's search. So by doing this search, we narrowed our search down to 58 results instead of 4,000. So now let's look at our search results. In this tutorial, we'll show you 3 different types of search results that you might get from any type of search. So as you can see here, we have a PDF full text, we have a check for full text, and an HTML full text. So let's click on check for full text. Clicking on check for full text will bring us to this screen. This screen will show us if the full text is available online. If it's not available online, which it's not in this case, you'll be able to do an EW catalog title search or a Google search. And if these options bring up nothing, then you can do an interlibrary loan for what you're looking for. So now let's look at the other 2 options that we have for search results. We have PDF full text and HTML full text. If you click on a PDF full text, it will bring you directly to the full text. If you click on HTML full text, it will also bring you directly to the full text. So for this tutorial, we're going to select HTML full text. If the full text is available, the patron has a few options they can choose from. They can either print the material off for themselves, they can add it to their own folder, or they can email it to themselves. So that's it for Academic Search Complete. But before this tutorial ends, I'm going to do a quick run through of ProQuest, and then you should be well on your way to helping patrons with database searches. So this is ProQuest. As you can see, there are a lot of similarities to Academic Search Complete, such as limiting the search to full text, peer-reviewed, or scholarly journals. The search bars are very similar to Academic Search Complete, but there are some differences. ProQuest uses source type, whereas Academic Search Complete would use publication type to search for magazines or journals. So let's search for tattoos and danger. So let's type in tattoo, asterisk, and danger with an asterisk. And let's search. So after our search, one thing you may notice is the difference in the result amount that we got with ProQuest. In Academic Search Complete, we got far less results than we did here in ProQuest. And that's because ProQuest has a lot more newspaper articles than Academic Search Complete does. So, to give you an example of another way you can narrow down your search, You can go to the bottom and look at the publication date, and you can narrow your search down to, let's say, around 2010 to 2019. So we update it, and now you'll see that our search results have dropped down drastically. But they're still very high, so let's narrow it down even more. Let's look for 2012. So we'll update it, and now it's down to a lot less of a number than it used to be. And if this number is still too high, you can go down, you can narrow it down to the specific month. So let's look for the month of June. And we update it, and now it's down to 212 results. And if that's still too high, you can search by a specific day. So let's look for the 9th of June. And we update it, and bam, only 9 results. So if this particular article is what the patron is looking for, we can click on full text, which will take us to the full text. And just like in Academic Search Complete, the patron will have the option to save to my research, which is similar to saving to their own folder. They can email this article to themselves, or they can print it off. And alright, that's the end of our tutorial. I hope you found this helpful, and remember that if you don't feel confident in looking up articles in databases, it's better to hand the patron over to a reference librarian who can better take care of them. Thank you and have a good day.